This is absolutely mind-blowing. A skilled individual managed to transform a discarded LCD TV into a solar power panel with just a few simple modifications. Not only can it light up a 100-watt bulb, but it can even power a water pump in the wilderness. Truly, there are masters hidden among the people. Without further ado, let's dive straight into his fascinating process. He placed a broken TV on a table and used an electric screwdriver to disassemble it, removing the motherboard and back cover. The only part he needed was the LCD screen. Then, he picked up 2 rectangular pieces of aluminum foil to conduct a small experiment. He wrapped the 2 power wires of a small motor around the edges of the aluminum foil and gently placed the setup on the LCD screen under direct sunlight. Instantly, the motor started spinning. It was almost magical. Now, any experts out there who can explain the science behind this? Moving on to the official construction process. He cut the aluminum foil into small squares of about 15 centimeters each, then trimmed the 4 corners to form octagonal shapes. He carefully arranged them on the LCD screen in a 3x5 grid, totaling 15 pieces, and applied strong adhesive glue to the foil. Next, he spaced them 1 centimeter apart and stuck them down one by one. He then took some self-adhesive aluminum foil tape, cut it into small strips, and connected the individual units in series. Finally, he attached 2 power wires by securing them with the aluminum foil tape at both ends. Placing the setup in a sunny spot by the wall, he adjusted the angle and started testing. As soon as he touched the 2 wire ends together, sparks flashed instantly, proving that it was indeed generating electricity. To further test his invention, he connected a small motor. The moment he touched the 2 electrodes, the motor sprang to life as if it had been shocked by electricity. The power was intense. It was truly impressive. At this point, even I started questioning reality. Next, he brought out a heat lamp bulb, and to my astonishment, it actually lit up. Could this DIY solar panel really generate that much energy? He then took his invention to a remote location and connected it to a water pump. The moment he powered it on, the pump actually started working. Unbelievable. So, my friends, what do you think of this incredible invention? Share your thoughts in the comments below.